Everybody. Today I am going to take you all into the world of space. Space, if we talk about space, then you remember galaxies, constellations, star, and so many other heavenly bodies. And if we talk about planet, then you must all be knowing that there are 8 planets. And initially, Pluto was also considered among those 8 planets. But few years from now, it was discarded as a planet. So most of you have this information, and most of you who do not have this information, let's put a light on it. So why is Pluto no longer considered a planet? The distant cue ball of a frozen world known as Pluto has always been a space oddity. It's smaller than Earth's moon and follows a squashed orbit around the sun that takes about 248 years. When astronomers began discovering other heavenly bodies rivaling tiny Pluto in size, they started to rethink their definition of a planet, and Pluto no longer made the cut. So, what exactly is a planet? Easy question, isn't it? After all, you are standing on one right now, and that is Earth, of course. But the scientific definition was fairly loose until recently. Astronomers put their heads together in 2006 and came up with 3 conditions for planethood. Number 1 condition, a planet must orbit the sun. So, if we talk about Earth, then Earth definitely is a planet because it orbits around the sun. Second condition, it must be large enough that its own gravity molds it into a spherical shape. Even this condition is followed by Earth as well as Pluto because both are spherical because of their gravity. Third condition, it must have an orbit free of small objects. Definitely, Earth has an orbit which is free of other small objects, but not Pluto. So, unfortunately, Pluto failed to meet this third condition and thus it was downgraded to a dwarf planet. Now, what exactly is a dwarf planet? These faraway worlds need to check off only 2 of the 3 planet defining characteristics from the list above. They must orbit the sun and be big enough for the gravity to squish them into a spherical shape. Along with Pluto, astronomers have identified 4 other dwarf planets too. Most of them join Pluto in the Kuiper belt of comets beyond the orbit of Neptune, which is the 8th planet from the Sun. They include, in the image you can see that number 1 is Eris, Eris, which rivals Pluto in size as it is egg shaped. In the image again you can see number 2, which is Haumea, Haumea. It is one of the fastest spinning objects in the solar system and its day lasts just 4 hours. Isn't it great? Then, third in the image is Ceres, Ceres. It is the largest of the asteroid at nearly 600 miles, that is 966 kilometers in diameter. And fourth, which is not shown in the image, is Make, Make, which is the most recently discovered and the most awesomely named. The 5 confirmed dwarf planets, including Pluto, are all smaller than Earth's moon, but some of them have moons themselves. So everything is confusing, but it's not exactly. If you go down what I told you, you'll find that why is Pluto no longer considered a planet, and I've also told you about dwarf planet. Now, if there are confusions erupting in your mind, you're most welcome to ask in the comment section. I would definitely make you explain what your confusions are, and definitely I'll clear your doubts. But for that, of course, you'll have to comment and subscribe to my channel. It's very simple. You just have to go to bell icon and press the button. And that's it. The channel will be automatically subscribed and the next video notification will definitely enter your arena and you can get information for the new video in time. So let's see and let's hope that you're going to Ask your and clear your doubts from me. Meet you soon in the next video.